Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will show you how to set up a custom domain on Gumroad. This simple process significantly enhances your branding and makes your storefront appear more professional and personalized. Having your own domain ensures you stand out with a unique identity rather than just being another user. To start, open your browser and head to the Gumroad website. Once the page loads, you need to log into your account. Look for the Login button, which is generally found at the top right corner of the screen. Click it to reach the Sign In page. If you use Google for your account, just click the Login with Google button, select your specific account, and you will be redirected to your main dashboard. Once you are on the Gumroad dashboard, we will navigate directly to your settings. Look for the button or tab labeled Settings, which is usually located on the sidebar or within a drop-down menu at the top. Click it to open a page filled with various customization options for your account. From here, keep an eye out for the Advanced tab. This is where you can adjust the technical, behind-the-scenes details of your storefront. Clicking Advanced will reveal a new set of options where we will configure your custom domain. Inside the Advanced settings, find the button often labeled Highlight. Although this step might seem a bit confusing at first, it is the standard path to reach the final configuration stage. Gumroad will then prompt you to provide your custom domain details. Make sure you have your new domain ready and enter it into the appropriate field. The system will likely guide you through linking your domain to Gumroad's servers, which might involve updating your DNS settings. Don't worry, as instructions from your domain provider on how to point the URL to Gumroad are typically very easy to follow. Finally, after completing these steps and saving your work, verify that the domain is working by entering it into your browser's address bar. It should take you straight to your store. You have now successfully added a custom domain to your Gumroad account, perfectly tailoring your online presence. Congratulations on this upgrade.